Meet the KEYENCE BT A600, a cutting-edge handheld mobile computer designed to transform on-site data collection. This powerful device combines a rugged Android-based computer and barcode scanner in one, making it easier and faster to capture information in industrial settings. In this video, we will explore what the BT A600 is, its key features, where it is used, and how it can help teams work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. What is the BT A600? The BT A600 series is an industrial handheld computer built for fast, reliable data capture. It runs on Android, so it feels familiar like a smartphone, but with extra durability and scanning power. Users can scan barcodes, 2D codes, and even text such as expiration dates or serial numbers without changing devices or workflows. The BT A600 delivers reliable performance across a variety of scanning applications. Its quad-camera scanning system and AI engine instantly read damaged or low-contrast barcodes from both near and far, so workers can scan shelves, pallets, and conveyors without slowing down. Built-in AI OCR also captures printed and handwritten text, like lot numbers and date codes, eliminating manual entry. A large 4.3-inch touchscreen, physical keypad, 32-hour battery, and rugged IP67 design make it easy to use all shift long. Every device includes KEYENCE software, like Lockdown Launcher and Enterprise Browser to restrict apps, control web access, and keep users focused and secure, at no extra cost. The BT A600 adapts easily across various industries and workflows. In logistics and warehousing, it speeds up receiving, picking, and inventory checks with full-range scanning capabilities. In manufacturing, it tracks parts and materials throughout production to ensure traceability. For food and pharmaceutical industries, AI OCR verifies expiration dates and lot codes to support compliance. Retail and distribution centers rely on it for quick stock counts and order fulfillment. No matter the environment, the BT A600 delivers fast, accurate data capture with minimal effort. What does this mean for your business? Efficiency. Workers get more done in less time with instantaneous scanning instead of manual data entry. High accuracy reading, like the sniper mode to target the correct code, reduces inventory errors, saving time and money. The rugged design minimizes downtime from damaged devices, keeping operations moving. The overall ergonomic design and intuitive interface shorten training time as well as reducing operator fatigue. Every BT A600 comes with KEYENCE's industry-leading setup, service, and support, all at no additional charge. A KEYENCE employee can assist with application setup, software configuration, and on-site training to ensure your devices are ready to perform from day one. In summary, the KEYENCE BT A600 is more than just a handheld scanner. It's a complete mobile data collection solution. With full-range scanning, built-in productivity and security software, rugged reliability, and unmatched setup and support, it's designed to meet the demands of modern operations. If you're looking to upgrade your barcode scanners or mobile computers, the BT A600 is ready to deliver immediate results. Contact KEYENCE or visit our website to schedule a demo and see how the BT A600 can streamline your workflows and drive productivity across your operation. Thank you for watching.